From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
We started out mostly sunny during the first half of this Tuesday, but clouds have been increasing, especially high-level cloud cover because of a dying thunderstorm complex off to our northwest that is approaching, but the rain is starting to fizzle with it as it approaches the Mississippi River. Still can't rule out a stray shower or a rumble of thunder from it from the overnight, but I think the main chances of rain, scattered as they still are, will come for our Wednesday, as we still have the stalled frontal boundary nearby, and we also have this northwest flow aloft, both conducive to thunderstorm complexes either near us or affecting us. So we'll be watching things carefully here over the next 24 hours. Not expecting a severe weather threat, just shower and thunderstorm chances on the board. Up to 88 degrees this afternoon at the Lawrenceburg Airport after a morning low of 64. A little bit of condensation registering in the rainfall bucket, but I don't think that was actually rainfall officially because we haven't seen anything on radar today. Meanwhile, it was hot in the Shoals, 96 at the Northwest Alabama Regional Airport in Muscle Shoals today after morning low down at 67. No rainfall there today, but again, there are some rain chances in the forecast over the next 24 hours, and then additional rain chances as we head forward through the extended that we'll talk about. Mostly clear this evening, except for the filtered clouds on the north side of the Alabama-Tennessee state line. Showers and thunderstorms fading away as the thunderstorm complex dies out near the Mississippi River, but it can't rely on a shower overnight, especially toward daybreak. One or two may develop. And then for the futurecast for Wednesday, it's mainly keeping the main thunderstorm complex activity just to our west. However, other models that are just as reliable have it closer to our area. So we're going to split the difference and say there's about a 50-50 chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, because it's very possible that this activity modeled over North Mississippi may be closer to our area instead. We don't want to catch you off guard just because what we're able to show on TV shows it farther west. So there are rain chances tomorrow. Daytime highs up between about 85 and 90 degrees into the afternoon with otherwise partly cloudy skies. So I think that if there are going to be thunderstorms tomorrow, it's the first 2/3 of the day, morning, midday through early afternoon. Things would shift off away from us as we head later into the afternoon and the evening, but still a shower possible toward the early evening hours, dropping to near 70 tomorrow night with partly cloudy skies. And then the front really doesn't go anywhere going into Thursday, so we'll hold an isolated thunder shower chance about 20%, but most likely to stay dry for many of us on Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms start to become likely again Friday afternoon, Friday night, and maybe into Saturday and Sunday as well as the next front approaches and kind of stalls out near our area, so that may provide another roadmap for additional storm chances as we head Friday into the weekend. And again, not looking at big severe weather chances or anything like that, just maybe the chance of some rain here and there along the way. Between 85 and 90 for us for our Wednesday, most of us into the upper 80s. Bit hotter for Thursday and even into Friday with more sunshine closer to the mid-90s. And then we average the lower 90s as we head from the weekend into the first part of next week. We have Tropical Storm Ernesto on the board, tracking not too far from Puerto Rico this afternoon. Has been strengthening today as of the 4 p.m. Central Time Advisory. Maximum sustained winds are up to 60. It's still in a strengthening mode, so there's the potential it could become a minimal hurricane by the time it approaches Puerto Rico, but it will be making a northwestern turn here over the next 12 to 24 hours, and then northward through the western Atlantic, becoming a hurricane. Very real chance it could become a major hurricane out here, especially as it starts to approach Bermuda late in the weekend, early part of the weekend. But on this track, it will be recurving off the east coast, and other than the rip currents on the east coast, not a direct impact or direct threat to the mainland lower 48 United States. But as always, we watch everything carefully. Other than Tropical Storm Ernesto that is strengthening out here, no other organized tropical systems looking like they will be developing in the next 5 to 7 days. But the peak of the hurricane season does not happen until September 10th, and then it goes all the way until the end of November. So we have plenty of Atlantic hurricane season ahead of us to go. Partly cloudy skies overnight, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s, and then averaging in the upper 60s and lower 70s. For morning lows here, maybe a few showers or rumble of thunder toward daybreak, and that continues with shower and thunderstorm chances in through at least the first half to 2/3 of our Wednesday. Isolated chances Thursday, and then the rain chances go up a bit. Still not a guarantee for rain, but rain chances go up a bit Friday into the weekend ahead. It will be scattered. No one day here anywhere is a washout. And then we start to back off the rain chances going in early next week. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.